This is a demonstration of this lovely, nostalgic electric kettle. I just could not resist getting it. It is so cute. So let's see how long it takes to warm it up. I've got about not quite a half full pot. So let's see. Turn it on there. You can see that this turns blue. And now it's just a waiting game. But it is so adorable. Better check. Maybe I... Oh, shoot, stop it. Okay, I wasn't really sure, but pretty. Let me check. Make sure it comes off of its stand like that for serving. Oh yeah, there's plenty in there. Okay. Let me start it again. I'm going to get a cup of tea. So the gauge moves as it heats up. Oh, you can hear it now. it is boiling. Oh, feel it now. And the gauge got all the way over here to the other side as it was getting hotter, and it automatically shut it off when it reached boiling. So let me pour some out here to my teacup. I really like the way the bottom's incorporated to the total look. This is just so adorable. So there you have it. This is a Hazel Quinn classic electric kettle. The only thing it could have to make it really classic would be a whistle, but it doesn't do that. But that's okay. It's still classic, and it's beautiful, and I love it. And I might keep it, or I might give it away as a gift. It's really great. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I've been helpful. You have a wonderful day.
This is after I have run the water heated through 3 times, and you can hear it percolating, and it just turned off, so the light went off. You push it down to turn it on, and then it pops up when it's ready. So the water is ready to make my cup of hot tea that I'm getting ready to have. Really simple to figure out and use, easy to get clean, to get ready to use it. It has a convenient wraparound storage in the base for the wire, because it's longer than that for the wiring, and it wraps conveniently under and doesn't bulk up at the bottom. Right now I'm pretty happy with it. About to make this cup of hot tea. The only complaint I did have was that the first time they sent it, it came in a box that said it was light sage green, so I sent it back. So when they sent the new box, it also said light sage green, but this time I opened it and it's white. It's the color I ordered after all. So they need to maybe put a sticker on those boxes to indicate what the actual color is, because otherwise they're getting a lot of returns, because I didn't order light sage green. So they could save a lot of time and money by doing that.
I got this in August. It is now October, but within the first week, and I use these every day, but within the first week, the water from inside the pitcher leaked into the exterior, where this is a gauge to tell you how hot the water is. And it, you see, I don't like the way that it's like turning color here. It means that whatever's in there is degrading, and the water level in here rises and falls, so it tells me that that water is coming in and out of this, and I don't even know what kind of metals or whatever. Very disappointed in this quality. It's cute in the pictures, but it is super cheap. I would not purchase it.
Okay, it is a good size. It was a little tough taking this out and putting it back in to clean it, but with practice maybe it'll get better. It heats up in like a minute, minute and a half. When it's done heating up, this pops up and the light turns off, and it is a hot cup of water, let me tell you. So, and it just lifts up. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but it just sits on this at any direction. So you don't have to have it on there precisely. Any direction, it's fine. And like I said, it goes from here to here in like a minute, minute and a half.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you my honest review on the Hazel Quinn electric kettle. I found the packaging is very fun and it's perfect gift for someone. The kettle itself, it's super beautiful, it's white and gold finishing, it is metal, so it's super easy to clean and to take care of it. If you can see, nothing extra inside. It's really nice. Also it has indicator, so the moment water is boiled, a kettle is off.